Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get the Foundry and Icarus. First of all, go to the Tech Tree, Tier 4, and make sure you got the Tier 4 unlocked with the Fabricator. And also make sure you got the electricity tool and some kind of a generator to power the Foundry. Then scroll a little bit to the right, and here you'll see the Foundry. Click on it, unlock it, and here you'll see the list of elements. 5 titanium plates, which you can get from crafting 1 titanium plate from 3 titanium ingots. Next you'll need 8 electronics, on which you'll need 15 copper wire, 5 gold wire, some organic resin and epoxy for 1 electronic, then multiply it by 8, and you'll need some concrete mix, which you can make in the concrete mixer using some 3-sap stone and silica ore, or 3-sap and crushed limestone in the newer updates. Some steel screws, which you can make in the machining bench and higher, just using steel ingot. And lastly, you'll need some glass, which you can make from smelting silica ore or glass. So, once you've crafted it, you can go ahead and place it down inside of a shelter. Let's say here. And now connect it a grid. And here you can see you can make all sorts of advanced tools. This is gonna be all. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.